To Zill. In this video, we are going to discuss about for loop. For loop statements. Loop is nothing but in programming language, it is a repeating the statements. Nothing but repeating the statements until we reach the target or the condition matches. So for loop, we'll see with a syntax. Syntax of for loop is for item or a or you can set as a variable, any variable name. In you can say sequence or iterable or sequence, and next your statements, n number of statements. The statements like 1 to n number of statements you can write. These statements repeats until the iterable match. Iterables means here we have string is a iterable or a sequence we can call. List is also iterable, tuple is also iterable, and range is also iterable. Dictionary, set, file, enumerate, zip, like this we are so on have the iterables. We'll see one example on it. Never for here I set a variable name in and sequence I said. So we'll take one sequence as a list. I'm taking a my list equals to, I'm taking like a number 1 comma 2 comma 3, 1 comma 2 comma 3. I'm placing here my list, and next I'm taking the variable is your list, anything you can keep. I'm taking as a number because in the list consists of numbers. I'm taking like a number. Just I want to print num. So it prints like a sequence. Now I'm running the program. See, 1 2 3, it prints like a sequence. Here what can other I can apply? You can apply the string also. If you see my string equals to Zill. So here if I write my string, here I will write as a name. So save this program, I am running. You can see iterable one by one is going to print sequence. It prints like a sequence until it's reached a matched, until the last it is going to print. This is about a for loop. It's sequence about print, and you can apply range also. We have one more concept we can apply, range. Range is like a function. We have start, stop, and step. Means that start means from where I need to start, stop means for where I need to stop, step means how much I need to increment, how much I need to go with an increment. We'll see with an example here. The most of the cases we use this range only, so I want to discuss that one. Range for I'm taking like number num in range. Range starting I'm giving like 1, and stop I'm giving like 10. Here stop, it works like stop minus 1. Stop works as a stop minus 1. Stop minus 1 means our 10 minus 1, nothing but it's 9. It goes with 1 2 3 4 5 because default step is 1. Default step of increment is 1. We'll see print num. I'm executing this. See, it starts with 1 and ends with 9. 10 minus 1 is 9, and step is every time it's incrementing with 1. Suppose if you given like step as 2, it will increment 2. After 1 it adds with 1 2, and next number is 3. It is going to be get a 3. See, 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. This is about step and stop. Suppose if you want to start with 2, yes, you can see all 2, 4, 6, and 8. 2, 4, 6, and 8. This is about range function. This is about our range function. This is nothing but iterable. Iterables you can apply string, list, or range. This is about a for loop. This is about for loop in Python. Please, thanks for watching this video and please subscribe to my channel.